What if I told you that by 2030, you could own a $5 million floating pool home that redefines luxury itself? I'm Cameron, with 21 years in AI and smart home tech, and trust me, this concept is unlike anything you've ever seen. From self-stabilizing design to AI that predicts your every need, this floating masterpiece is the future of living. Stay with me, because what's coming will completely change how you see real estate. For more than 2 decades, I've stood at the crossroads of artificial intelligence and futuristic architecture. I've watched smart homes evolve from simple automation, lights turning on with a voice command, to fully adaptive spaces that anticipate human needs. I've studied, tested, and analyzed thousands of these systems. Yet, none of them prepared me for what comes next. Floating homes. This is not just another luxury concept, it is the next frontier. Imagine a residence that rises and falls with the tide, a structure that merges engineering, sustainability, and artistry into one seamless vision. These homes are not built on water, they are designed to live with water. They redefine safety, elegance, and connection to nature in ways we've only dreamed of. This isn't just about lifestyle. It's about revolutionary technology that will reshape how we think about living itself. Welcome to 2030. Take a look at this floating pool house. At first glance, it seems like a luxury villa resting on water, but look closer, and you'll realize it's far more than that. This is not just a house that floats, it's a complete smart home ecosystem designed to merge cutting-edge technology with futuristic living. The luxury real estate market is evolving faster than ever, and floating homes are quickly becoming the ultimate status symbol for the wealthy and tech-savvy. For decades, exclusivity was defined by private islands, skyscraper penthouses, or sprawling estates. But in 2030, the new symbol of power and innovation is a residence that hovers gracefully above the waves, offering freedom, sustainability, and unmatched beauty. This $5 million floating home represents the pinnacle of that shift. It doesn't just provide comfort, it redefines it. Inside, next-generation home automation systems control every detail of your experience. Want to swim at the perfect temperature? The pool warms itself, adjusting automatically to your preference. Need the home to face the setting sun? With a single command, it rotates to capture the horizon. Even the house's position on the water is AI managed, ensuring stability, safety, and effortless convenience. And perhaps most remarkable of all is its self-stabilizing technology. Unlike yachts that rock with every wave, this floating home uses gyroscopic systems and AI-controlled ballast adjustments to stay perfectly level, even in rough waters. No seasickness. No unease. Just pure serenity. This isn't just real estate. It's the future of living, an architectural marvel that combines sustainability, intelligence, and luxury in one breathtaking package. Welcome to tomorrow's lifestyle. Here's where my AI expertise comes in. This floating pool home is not just about architecture, it's a living, breathing system powered by intelligence. At the core of its design are advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms that constantly monitor the environment, predict changes, and adapt in real time. Imagine a storm forming miles away, the house knows before you do. It quietly shifts its position, rebalances its foundation, and ensures stability long before the first wave hits. This isn't just safety, it's peace of mind wrapped in innovation. The smart home automation here is unlike anything I've ever seen. Let's start with AI-powered climate control. Traditional systems wait for you to adjust a thermostat. But this? It listens. It learns. It knows that you prefer cooler mornings with crisp, fresh air, and warmer evenings with a soft, golden glow. Over time, it memorizes your patterns and adapts so seamlessly that you forget you ever had to think about temperature at all. It's not just comfort, it's comfort without effort. Then there's the automated water filtration system. The pool isn't just a pool, it's a self-regulating oasis. Advanced filtration ensures crystal clear water that's always at its cleanest, while also monitoring the quality of the surrounding sea. In fact, the floating home is capable of filtering and purifying the water around it, leaving the ecosystem healthier than it found it. Imagine living in luxury while your very presence heals the environment. That's a future worth chasing. Energy independence is another defining feature. With solar panels integrated into the architecture, every surface works double duty. The sleek panels absorb sunlight during the day, while hidden battery storage units ensure uninterrupted energy through the night. Even on cloudy days, the AI predicts your usage and adjusts power distribution so you never feel the difference. This isn't just green, it's freedom. No wires. No grids. Just pure, independent living in harmony with nature. And then comes one of my favorite details, smart glass technology. The walls, the windows, even sections of the ceiling are made of glass that adapts in real time. In the morning, it welcomes natural light, filling your home with warmth. By midday, it adjusts transparency to block excess heat while still keeping the view. And at night, with a simple command, it turns opaque, creating privacy without curtains or blinds. The house itself becomes your shield, your filter, your comfort zone. All of these systems come together to create what I can only describe as a luxury paradise powered by intelligence. Every detail, every command, every adjustment feels effortless. Hosting a party? The pool glows softly with bioluminescent lighting as the lounge expands toward the water. Seeking solitude? The home cocoons itself, panels sliding into place, creating mirrored silence that reflects the world away. Here, technology isn't cold or mechanical, it feels alive, intuitive, almost emotional. What sets this design apart is the seamless merging of human luxury and planetary care. This isn't just a floating mansion for the wealthy, it's a statement about the future of living. A house that adapts to you and the world around it. A house that doesn't drain resources but generates them. A house that floats gracefully, leaving behind no scars on the earth, only possibilities. For me, as someone who has spent decades studying AI and its potential, this floating pool house represents the next great leap in real estate and design. It's not simply about living on water, it's about creating an ecosystem where architecture, technology, and nature exist as one. A system where your every need is anticipated, and where your lifestyle becomes a contribution to the planet rather than a burden. This is more than a home. It's a vision of what humanity can achieve when we dare to dream, when we combine intelligence with sustainability, and when we finally design spaces that are as alive as we are. This floating pool house isn't just the future of luxury real estate, it's the future of how we live. Imagine waking up in your floating home. The first light of dawn spills across the horizon, and instead of walking into a hallway, you step directly from your bedroom into your private pool. The water ripples gently beneath your feet as the world outside feels endless, crystal clear waves stretching as far as the eye can see. This isn't just luxury living, it's freedom, untethered from the ground, where your home drifts with grace across the water. But the real magic begins inside. The interior design is nothing short of revolutionary. Every wall, every surface, every corner has been crafted to respond to you. The moment you wake, the AI-powered system is already listening, tracking your heartbeat, scanning subtle changes in your breathing. It knows when you're rested, and it knows when you're stressed. Without you lifting a finger, the lighting softens, the temperature adjusts, and calming sounds rise gently from the water below, creating the perfect atmosphere for balance and peace. Your commands don't need to be shouted or typed. You can simply gesture, and the home responds. Raise a hand and the glass walls fade from transparent to mirrored privacy. Speak softly, and the entire space transforms, colors shifting, aromas diffused, even the air circulation tailored to your mood. Biometric sensors mean your home doesn't just follow instructions, it anticipates them, almost like it knows you better than you know yourself. And then there's the design. Sleek, modern, futuristic architecture that feels sculpted by the ocean itself. Curves replace corners. Transparency replaces walls. Every inch of the home has been optimized for space, light, and flow. It's not just a house, it's an experience, one that adapts in real time to the rhythm of your life. This is why floating homes aren't just real estate, they're the new status symbol of 2030. They represent freedom, intelligence, and sustainability, all wrapped in breathtaking design. When you invest in a floating smart home like this, you're not just buying walls and furniture, you're buying a lifestyle, a statement, and a future that redefines what it means to live in luxury. The luxury real estate industry is entering a bold new era, and floating homes are at the center of it. What was once considered futuristic fantasy is now becoming the ultimate status symbol. Market analysts project that smart home automation in floating residences will be a multi-billion-dollar industry by 2030, driven by demand from tech-savvy investors and visionaries. Early adopters of these homes aren't just enjoying cutting-edge comfort, they're already seeing remarkable returns on their investments. But beyond wealth and prestige, these homes solve real problems. Rising sea levels threaten coastal living, overcrowded shorelines limit expansion, and the desire for privacy grows stronger every year. Floating pool homes answer all three challenges at once. With over 21 years of innovation in AI and automation, I've seen firsthand how this technology transforms living. These homes are fully self-sufficient, able to reposition themselves to avoid storms, optimize energy usage through smart systems, and even link together to form floating communities. This isn't just real estate. It's resilience, sustainability, and luxury combined into a new way of life. This floating home technology represents far more than a place to live, it's the future of sustainable luxury living. By 2030, homes like these won't simply respond to your commands, they'll anticipate your needs before you even realize them. Imagine a home that prepares your environment, maintains itself, and even ensures your safety with no effort on your part. That's where we're headed. The vision begins with predictive maintenance. Instead of waiting for problems to happen, the house detects issues in advance. A filter that's about to clog? Already replaced. A battery cell nearing the end of its cycle? Already optimized and backed up. The home essentially repairs itself, making downtime and costly surprises a thing of the past. Then there's AI-powered security. Unlike traditional systems that wait to be triggered, this one learns. It recognizes your routines, identifies unusual patterns, and adapts to new threats. Whether it's detecting suspicious drones overhead or ensuring safe docking with an autonomous boat, the system guards your home with intelligence and precision. Food production also takes a futuristic leap. Integrated hydroponic gardens allow you to grow fresh produce year-round, right inside your floating paradise. It's sustainable, efficient, and entirely automated. Your home ensures you're never without healthy, organic food, no matter where in the world you're anchored. And as mobility evolves, so do connections. These homes are designed for seamless integration with autonomous boats and even flying vehicles. That means your car of the future won't have wheels, it might have wings or propellers, and your floating home will already be prepared to connect, dock, and recharge them. This $5 million floating pool home isn't just another piece of luxury real estate, it's a living ecosystem, a glimpse into how humanity will redefine comfort, freedom, and sustainability by 2030. For the wealthy and the visionary, this is more than a house. It's the next great step in how we live, travel, and thrive on a changing planet. But here's the wildest part: what you've seen today is just the beginning. If you think this $5 million floating pool home is the peak of innovation, get ready, because my next video is going to take things to a whole new level. Imagine a floating house that isn't just smart, but almost alive. In my upcoming video, The World's Most Epic Floating House Revealed, you'll witness technology that's never been shown on YouTube before. We're talking about bio-integrated architecture, homes that adapt and evolve with you. Materials that literally heal themselves. AI systems so advanced, they learn from the ocean and predict your needs before you even know them. This isn't just a house, it's a living ecosystem, inspired by nature and powered by the latest breakthroughs in AI, sustainable energy, and next-generation design. I'll break down the science, the mind-blowing engineering, and the secrets behind why tech billionaires are racing to make these floating homes a reality. And trust me, it's not just for the ultra-rich. I'll show you how this technology could change the way all of us live in the future, making homes safer, smarter, and more sustainable than ever. So if you want to be the first to see the future, hit subscribe, ring that bell, and don't miss the world's most epic floating house revealed. I promise, it's more knowledge-packed and entertaining than anything you've seen before. The future of living is here, and it's about to blow your mind.